Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 113 and today we are looking at how to get networking days. So in day 70 we looked at getting number of days between two dates. So in that case you would have day 1 and day 2 and you want to calculate difference between those two dates. So if you didn't watch that video, please visit day 70 or search for day 70 on my videos. So now what we are looking at today is getting the difference between 2 days, but also taking into account how many weekends we have in between. So one will be tempted to just say this day minus this day, and you get the number of days. I counted them, they were 17. But then of these 17, there are 3 weekends, which is minus 6. So the answer we want is 11. But to get that through the way I've done here, imagine if I had 300 worth of days, it would take me much longer to get this end number. Yes, at the end I'll get it right, but it would take me longer. So how can I quickly get 11 without going through all this? So to get the dates between those two dates, you can see this is my first date here, which I'm using here, and this is my last date. So I can use a formula which is called networking days equals networking days. Then it asks me for the start date. And the second parameter I'm going to pass through is the end date. Then I can close my parameter or my parenthesis. Then I hit enter. You can see it's saying 12 days. So you can count 5 days, 5 plus 2 days. So you can see, actually, when I calculated manually, I made a mistake and I said it's 11. It's actually 12 days. So you can see the 12 days here. That's what my answer is saying here. So we have 12 networking days in between the dates. So this is how you can calculate your networking days using the networking days formula. Tomorrow we are going to look at how you can then incorporate holidays. So for example, let's say this day was a holiday. This day was a holiday, and also one of the weekends was a holiday. How can you now then calculate the correct networking days if there are holidays in between as well? So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.